Alright guys, so I got two new fans today. So this here is a Hunter, I believe it's a 12-inch probably. It looks like it's a 12-inch blade. Hunter oscillating, well, it doesn't oscillate, but it has the oscillating mechanism on it. But when I tested it out earlier, it didn't oscillate, which is weird, but maybe the oscillation mechanism is broken or something, I don't know. But anyways, I got this today at a flea market. This fan's in really good shape. Some of the paint's starting to fall off a little bit. I'm actually going to put two fans in this video because I got two fans today. I got this Hunter, and then over there I got a little Torcan. Oh yeah, and there's a fan right there. I haven't done a video of that one yet. I got that one the day I got that Electro Home Box fan. That's when I got that fan. I hadn't done a video of it yet. But, yes. So this will be the first fan that I do the demo on, because this is the first fan I bought today. So, I don't see anything in here that I could set the camera on. The thing is I could set it on the floor, but I just don't like the way it's pointing towards the fan, because it doesn't really get the whole fan. But from what I'm seeing, it looks like we're going to have to just live with that. So, I know you guys may not like this view, but that's the best I can get it, so you'll have to excuse that. But anyways, so yes, this fan, I believe it has 2 speeds on it, which is a first because all the others I have are only 1 speed. Just need to plug this in. I had it upside down, I think. Why is the plug not going in? Come on, plug. Go in there. I don't want to put a lot of force on the plug, but it's not going in. Okay, well, that's the best we can probably get it. So, here's whatever this speed is. And that, oh, it does oscillate? Or did it just move? I think it just moved. Okay, that was a little weird, but okay. So, it's pretty quiet. That's the high speed. And it's a pretty quiet fan, not gonna lie. This fan is great shape, great condition, doesn't make any bearing noises, which is good. I like the noise it makes. And then that should be low. And when it's on low speed, well, it is kind of making a little bit of a noise, but not really a big deal. But if you can hear it, the camera's not going to pick it up. But this fan is hardly making any noise at all. Like, it's pretty quiet on this speed. Like, actually very quiet. And that's impressive. This is a great little piece here. This fan is great. I mean, these old fans are very quiet. But if you were to get a brand new fan from like the store or something like that, those fans are pretty loud. They're not as quiet as these. Like, these fans are way better than any modern fan. So this is the Torcan. I like the blue that's on this thing. Like, you can see the color of blue on this thing is really nice looking. And this fan does not oscillate. This fan is also going to be very easy if I have to put a few drops of oil in, because you can see that looks like a oil port right there. So that's all I would have to do. I wouldn't even have to take this off. I wouldn't have to take the back part off. I could leave it on and just put drops of oil in. I don't even have any oil, but I will get some. And then we got these nice big vents here to let the heat out. The motor on this thing gets pretty hot. And the cord is in a dish. Okay, let's see. I don't think, oh yeah, I might actually be able to plug it in. Yeah, actually that's a really good view right there. So, alright, here we go. And this fan I got from just a little antique store that is just like those little shops, just a little antique shop that I got this from. There was 3 of them on the shelf when I got this. And this fan is a 1-speeder. Like most of the metal fans I have, most of them that I have are just 1-speeder. That Hunter is the first fan that's actually a 2-speeder that I have. And this fan is really, really, really quiet. Like, that's impressive. That just goes to show old fans are the best. Vintage fans are the best. Like, this thing here, this thing's probably like from, I don't know, like the 50s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s. And this thing is still going strong. Like, it's still making a good noise, and it's very quiet, and it's in great shape. That just goes to show that these old fans are built to last. Like, there's just no doubt about that. Like, these fans are just built to last. They're the best. Let's see how hot the motor got. Not hot. Not that hot, but if it was on longer, it would have got hot. Because when we tested it out at the store today, the motor did get a little hot. But that's okay though, the fan's metal, so that's not even going to be a problem anyway. If it was plastic, then that would be a problem. But because it's metal, there's no issue with it. So that's going to be it for this video. And then I will do a video eventually on that fan there. So, yep. There they are. That's them. My 2 new fans that I got today. Well, not new, but you know what I mean. New old fans, I guess you could say. They're my new old fans. So, thanks for watching, and comment, like, and subscribe if you even do that anyway, which you probably won't. But if you want to, like I always say, if you want to subscribe, if you want to like, if you want to comment, the option is there, but I'm not saying you have to, because chances are if I ask you to do that, then you're not even going to do it anyway. So that's why I say the choice is yours. If you want to comment, go ahead. If you don't want to comment, don't. Blah, blah, blah. So anyways, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching.